If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the Legacy Builder program. Maybe you've seen people on TikTok or Facebook posting this amount of money that they say they're making, and you're really smart enough to do your due diligence and research before you get started with this. Maybe you're working a job right now and you're looking for a way to make more money, or maybe you just want a side hustle that doesn't interfere with what you're currently doing. Either way, you're in the right place because I've actually parted my hard-earned money into this program. I've gone through it and I've actually been blessed to get some absolutely incredible results. I actually do, in fact, recommend this after being online the last 10 years and trying multiple different things. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Legacy Builder program works. I'm even going to share with you what you get access to if you do decide to get started, the cost, as well as what you're expected to do in the 2-hour workday to start to generate income. Now, why should you listen to me? Because I'm actually getting pretty good results. You can see yesterday inside of my Stripe account, okay, this is my name right here, Garrett, I was able to generate $1,200. Now today, right now at the time of recording, it's only 6 a.m. So I'm expecting more sales to come in later. And you can see right here that in the last 4 weeks, okay, I've been able to generate over $21,000. Now all of this money was used just generating it from the Legacy Builder program. So it definitely does work. And again, I want to break this down. So there's going to be a link directly below. When you go to that link and you put your email in, eventually you'll get taken to this page here. Now, maybe you've already seen this page. This page is called a sales page. The purpose of this page is basically to explain the benefits and share with you exactly how this program works. So you can, go over this, look at the different levels and things like that. But I want to break this down incredibly simple. So there's 4 simple levels that you can get started with with the Legacy Builder program. Now, the Legacy Builder program is for 3 different types of people, okay? Now there's first off the $900 level, the $600, the $300, and the $100 level. They're all one-time payments and they all unlock different things. And again, you can see more on this page here. You can see what each level has, but I'm going to give you a very detailed overview to save you time, okay? Now, the first thing I want to share with you is who is this for? There's 3 types of people. Number 1, this is for someone that maybe you already have a business. Maybe you already have a product that you want to promote online, but you're struggling to get leads and sales. What a lot of people do is they join the Legacy Builder program and they just use the incredible marketing training and apply it to whatever business they're actually already in. The second type of person is someone that wants to learn how to create their own course. So you can actually get started at one of the levels and you can go through training on how to create your own video modules, how to create your own course and community. So if that's for you, you can also do that. And the third person, and this is what I was, and this is someone that doesn't want to create their own products. They don't want to create their own business. They just want to find a business in a box, slap their name on it, and virtually, in 48 hours or less, start promoting it to earn instant commissions, okay? Because this is the fastest way, is to actually resell products that you don't even have to create yourself. So with the 4 levels, what you get access to is number 1, whatever level you join, you unlock that level and the levels under it. The $900 level is by far the most popular. Another reason it's so popular is because if you're in the United States, there's payment plans. Okay, so if you actually click this button here, you'll be able to break up that payment in about 4 easy payments if you're in the United States. If not, you want to join as high as possible. Now, the 2 main differences between these different levels is the earning ability, if you want to sell these products as your own, and then also the level of training. So the more lower the level, the more basic the training. So the $100 launch pad, I typically don't recommend this to people just because it's incredibly basic, okay? It's going to be like setting up the system. It's going to be like how to set up your social media, like very basic stuff. But if you can come in at least this $600 level, you're going to start to really learn how to market online successfully. Now, for you watching this video and finding this video, if you decide to go to the link directly below or growwithgarrett.com and you join me at the $600 level or the $900 level, you're going to get access to this bonus. And again, I want to reward action takers. So what I decided to do was give away 5 nights in a luxury hotel in Cancun, Mexico. Okay, these are 5 nights for free just for joining through me specifically at the $600 or the $900 level. Now, this is a $1,294 value. Yours, again, as a free bonus. Now, flight and taxes are not included. I don't want any surprises, but the full 5 nights in that luxury vacation stay in that hotel are completely free for you when you get started. Okay, so I do want to share that. So going back to this, when you get started, at whatever level, you're going to get access to the community. Okay. Now, some people are confused. You see digital growth community right here. That is the name of the community, and the Legacy Builder program is the name of the program at the $900 level. So the $900 level is the Legacy Builder program. Okay. The $600 level is Digital Mastery. The $300 level is Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, and the Launchpad is the $100 level. But it's all under the umbrella of the digital growth community. So whatever level you join, you get access to this school community. Okay, this is housed on a platform called School. And you can see at the time of recording, we have 17,400 members. So this is growing rapidly. Okay, now the beautiful benefit about this community and with so many members is if you've ever joined something in the past and you never had help, right? Maybe you felt stranded, maybe you felt alone. This is going to solve that for you because you always have people that will help you. So for example, if you ever need help, you can go ahead and write something right here, like your question, and someone within minutes will answer. Let me see if there's an example. So if I scroll down, okay, so like 21 minutes ago, right? Repeat webinar link, has the repeat for Legacy's webinar been released? Okay, so that person had a question, and look, let's see, within about 10 minutes, somebody responded. So if you ever need help, you're going to be able to ask anyone and they'll be able to help you. So you're never left alone. Another massive benefit of joining whatever level inside of the digital growth community is you get access to this calendar here. And what we have is almost every single day, at least one live interactive training call with 6 and 7 figure earners. Okay. This is an interactive program. This isn't a course. This is why I decided to get started myself, and I recommend this because this isn't some just static videos. You're going to get interactive training. You can see right here that like Tuesday is tech support. So you can hop on this Zoom call and you're going to get help if you have some technical issue, okay? I mean, there's constantly, like right here is the Monday mentoring. So you're going to get questions answered. Often on these calls at the end, they'll open it up to questions and you can ask a 6 and 7 figure earner inside the community exactly what they're doing. So that's another benefit. And no matter what level, which of the 4 levels you join, you get access to this as well. Now, like I said, when you get started, there's only 2 differences between these programs. Number one, and again, by the way, stick with me because I'm going to share the 2-hour workday in just a second on exactly what to do daily to start to generate commissions. But the main difference is the earning ability and the level of training. So when you purchase a product, you get that product and all the products under it resell rights. So the way this works is you can actually purchase, let's say you want to get started at the $900 level. You join at the $900 level and you unlock resell rights to resell that product as your own. Okay. That's how we're able to get 100% profit and paid instantly because when people buy, they're buying from you specifically. Now, you also unlock, because you're joining at the $900 level, all the levels under it. Okay. So whatever level you join, you unlock that level and all the levels under it. Okay. That's the earning ability. Now, the training. So you also get access to training. Now, I'm inside the training site right here. You can see that this would be the Launchpad training. This is the Digital Mastery, and all of these trainings are different based on what level you join. But because most people watching this are going to stretch themselves, maybe they're going to do the payment plan, I'm going to share with you what's inside of the $900 level, okay? Because this is really, really powerful. So when you start, the first main training is going to be setting up your automated system. So the way Legacy Builder program and this product and process works is 90% of it is automated. Okay, so you're going to get access to an automated system that's going to do all the telling, selling, and following up with your leads for you. All you're going to have to do is get traffic or clicks to your website link, which that's part of the 2-hour workday, which I'll share in a second. But essentially, you want to follow this video training step by simple step. It's going to share with you exactly how to set up your system, how to attach, your payment method on how you want to collect payments to your page, etc. Now, next is going to be setting up your social media, okay? How to grow a following. And all of these trainings are incredibly detailed, over the shoulder. And you can see right here, we have full TikTok training. So if you want to master TikTok, We have how to post free ads to get traffic. We have YouTube training, okay, if you want to do YouTube. We have Pinterest training. We have Instagram. So no matter what platform you want to market on, we have in-depth, step-by-step training. You can see right here, if I just go into, like, let's say TikTok, you can see right here that this video alone is close to 2 hours, okay? So this is a full step-by-step in-depth training that you can go on your own and learn how to market on TikTok. Now, you don't even have to show your face. We have no face training. But now I want to share with you the 2-hour workday. So this right here are the 3 simple steps to daily pay. This is all I'm doing to generate results. This is all everyone inside the community that's crushing it is doing to generate results, okay? So step 2 and step 3 are going to be done for you, okay? So we have an automated system that is composed of a capture page that's going to look something like this, okay? You will get a website that looks something like this. We have a sales page, okay, that looks something like this, right? Like I shared with you here. And then we have an email list. So when someone puts their email into your page, when someone goes to this page and puts their email in, they will get added to your email autoresponder that you'll get access to for free inside of this program. And these emails will start going out about 1 per day, following up with those people, following up with those email addresses until they either opt out, unsubscribe, or they decide to buy. That's how we're able to generate money on autopilot, because these emails can go out even while you're sleeping. Okay, so that's the process. And then when they buy, you can receive instant 100% profits. Whatever level the person buys, that's the level you earn. It goes into one of these payment methods that you choose, and then it can go to your bank account after that, okay, within the day. Now, the only thing you have to do in your 2-hour workday is attract your perfect customers and send them your link. And we teach 2 methods inside. Posting ads on high traffic websites. So we have a list of 200 highly visited websites that people want to buy products just like this are. And we teach you how to copy and paste ads on those platforms. You can see right here, okay, that if I go back, right, you can see right here how to post free ads on the internet. So we give you 200 free ad sites, and we give you tips on exactly how to post those ads. And when people respond to those ads, you just send them the link to your capture page, right? You send them this link. The second thing is posting 3 pieces of content. And you can post this content wherever you prefer: Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube. So you choose how you want to market. And again, this content is in the form of a photo, a video, a piece of text. And again, we have tons and tons of training on exactly how to post content. Okay, that's it. All you have to do is generate leads by posting ads and content and send those interested people to your link. Everything else is taken care of, guys. So that is it. Now, if you're watching this and again, you want to get access to my bonus, or if you just appreciate the value I've shared and you just think, you know what, I prefer to join with this guy because he obviously knows what he's talking about, my link is going to be in the description. You just go to my website, put your best email in, follow the website, and then eventually, again, you'll get taken to this page here. Choose whichever level, the highest you can, so you can earn the most amount of money. And then look out for a welcome email from me so you can go ahead and get access to all of it, as well as if you join at the 600 or higher, you'll get access to the vacation voucher as well. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Subscribe because I'm going to be posting even more videos, and comment if you have any more questions about the Legacy Builder program. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.